चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। विटामिन की सीरीज में आज अगला विटामिन है विटामिन B12। विटामिन B12 के और सिनोनिम्स हैं एंटी पर्नीशियस अनीमिया फैक्टर और एक्सट्रिंसिक फैक्टर ऑफ कासल या एनिमल प्रोटीन फैक्टर और साइनोकोबालामीन। इस विटामिन B12 को इन सब और नामों से भी जाना जाता है। इसको एंटी पर्नीशियस अनीमिया फैक्टर कहते हैं। यह अनीमिया विटामिन B12 की कमी से जो अनीमिया होता है उसको पर्नीशियस अनीमिया कहते हैं। और जब हम विटामिन B12 लेते हैं तो ये अनीमिया खत्म हो सकता है। विटामिन B12 is a water soluble, heat stable and red in color। ठीक है, वाटर सॉल्युबल होता है, हीट स्टेबल होता है, मतलब हीट का ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता, और रेड इन कलर लाल होता है। साइनो मतलब कलर ही होता है। इट कंटेन्स 4.35% कोबाल्ट बाय वेट। इट ऑल्सो कंटेन्स 63 कार्बन, 14 नाइट्रोजन एंड 1 कोबाल्ट एटम। 4 pyrrole rings coordinated with cobalt atom is called a Corin ring। इसमें 4 पायरोल रिंग होती हैं जो कि कोबाल्ट के साथ कोऑर्डिनेटेड रहती हैं। The fifth valency of cobalt is covalently linked to a substituted benzamidazole ring. This is then called cobalamin। The sixth valency of cobalt is satisfied by any of the following group: cyanide, hydroxyl, adenosyl or methyl। This is the structure of cyanocobalamin। Forms of cobalamin। कोबालामीन हमें किन किन फॉर्म्स में मिलता है? Cobalamin exists in a number of different chemical forms. All have cobalt atom at the center of Corin ring। पहला साइनोकोबालामीन। When cyanide is added at the R position, see here, ये है R position, this is R position। When cyanide is added at the R position, the molecule is called cyanocobalamin। Hydroxycobalamin। When hydroxyl group is attached at the R position, it is called hydroxycobalamin। When taken up by the cells, these groups are removed and deoxyadenosylcobalamin is formed। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट मिथाइल कोबालामीन। अब मिथाइल मतलब पता ही चल रहा है, मिथाइल ग्रुप। When the methyl group replaces adenosyl group, it is known as methyl cobalamin। This is the major form seen in blood circulation as well as cytoplasm। Recommended daily allowance। Recommended daily allowance का मतलब होता है कि पर डे हमें कितना चाहिए। Normal daily requirement is 1 to 2 microgram per day। बहुत कम चाहिए, मतलब हर दिन हमें 1 से 2 माइक्रोग्राम ही चाहिए। During pregnancy and lactation, it is increased to 2 microgram per day। A normal Western diet contains 5 to 30 microgram of cobalamin, and adult daily losses mainly in the urine and feces are between 1 to 3 microgram। मतलब अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1% ऑफ द बॉडी स्टोर। तो ये यूरिन और फिसिस से भी इसका लॉस होता है। अब डाइटरी सोर्सेज क्या है, कहाँ कहाँ पे हमें कोबालामीन्स मिलते हैं? कोबालामीन इज सिंथेसाइज्ड solely by the microorganisms। Ruminants obtained cobalamin from foregut। विटामिन B12 is not present in vegetable, इसलिए वेजिटेरियंस को अक्सर B12 की कमी रहती है। लिवर इज द रिचेस्ट सोर्स. लिवर जो लोग कलेजी वगैरह खाते हैं वो बहुत बड़ा सोर्स होता है विटामिन B12 का. Meat, fish, egg are good sources, and curd is also good source because lactobacillus can synthesize B12. lactobacillus होते हैं कर्ड में जो कि B12 की सिंथेसिस करते हैं. How vitamin B12 absorb? Two mechanisms exist for cobalamin absorption. पहला, passive absorption. Passive absorption occurring equally through the buccal, duodenal and ileal mucosa, and it is rapid but extremely inefficient. Less than 1% of an oral dose being absorbed by the process. दूसरा है active absorption. The normal physiological membrane mechanism is active. It occurs through the ileum and efficient for small oral doses of cobalamin and is mediated by gastric intrinsic factors. Intrinsic factor is produced in the gastric parietal cells of the fundus and body of stomach. Its secretion parallels that the hydrochloric acid. The intrinsic factor cobalamin complex passes to the ileum where intrinsic factor attaches to a specific receptor which is called cubulin, C-U-B-U-L-I-N, on the microvillus membrane of erythrocyte. Cubulin with its ligand intrinsic factor cobalamin complex is endocytosed. Endocytosed मतलब endo मतलब inside, cytos मतलब cytosol. The cobalamin intrinsic factor complex enters ileal cell where intrinsic factor is destroyed. See here, जो चीजें बताई वो सारी चीजें इसमें आपको दी जाएंगी, आराम से आप पढ़ समझ सकते हैं. इंट्रिंसिक फैक्टर डेफिशिएंसी. जब इंट्रिंसिक फैक्टर की डेफिशिएंसी होती तो क्या होता है? इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ इंट्रिंसिक फैक्टर inadequate amount of cobalamin are absorbed resulting in megaloblastic anemia. When the root cause of resultant megaloblastic anemia is absence of or inadequate amount of intrinsic factor, the condition is called pernicious anemia. Now, transportation. These three plasma transport proteins have been identified: transcobalamin 1 and transcobalamin 3. They are differing each other only in the carbohydrate structure are secreted by WBCs. Although 90% of plasma vitamin B12 circulates bind to these protein. कौन सी protein? Transcobalamin 2. Transcobalamin 2 is capable of transporting B12 into cells. In the blood, methyl B12 form is predominant. किस फॉर्म में स्टोरेज होता है? It is stored in the liver cells as ADO-B12 in the combination of transcobalamin 1. Generally, B complex vitamin are not stored in the body, but B12 is an exception. मतलब B12 vitamin B complex store नहीं होते body में, पर B12 इसका exception है. Whole liver contain about 2 to 5 milligram of B12. अच्छा खासा amount liver में store रहता है. Which is the sufficient for requirement for 2 to 3 years, जो कि 2 से 3 साल के लिए sufficient होता है. So B12 deficiency is seen only years after gastrectomy. What are biochemical functions? B12 plays a vital role in the catabolism of odd chain fatty acid threonine, methionine, branch chain amino acid, isoleucine and valine. The degradation of each of these compounds produces same metabolic propionyl metabolite, which is propionyl CoA. Role of vitamin B12 in DNA synthesis. Here you can see that DUMP, deoxyurydyl monophosphate, deoxyurydyl monophosphate in the presence of thymidine synthase and forms tetrahydrofluoride, जहाँ से सीरीन कन्वर्ट होता है ग्लाइसिन में और DTMP बनता है, डीऑक्सी मोनोफॉस्फेट. मेगैलोब्लास्टिक अनीमिया क्या होता है? The cause of megaloblastic anemia seen in strict vegetarian is attributed to the effect of B12 deficiency in DNA synthesis, specifically the thymidylate synthesis reaction which converts DUMP and DTMP. Inadequate DTMP restrict DNA but not RNA synthesis, leading to the appearance of large erythroid cells with small nuclei containing a high ratio of RNA to DNA. These cells are removed from circulation, thus stimulating erythrogenesis and giving rise to anemia with an elevated presence of megaloblastic anemia. यहाँ पे देखिए homocysteine is converted into methionine by the help of methylcobalamin B12 and N5-methyl THF which is converting into THF. इसका मिथाइल ग्रुप होमोसिस्टीन के साथ बाइंड करके मिथ्योनिन बना लेता. This is called as folate trap. Vitamin B12 deficiency leads to impairment of methionine synthase, resulting in the accumulation of homocysteine and N5-methyl tetrahydrofolate. This folate is trapped as N5-methyl tetrahydrofolate, diminishing the level of N5 and 10-methylene tetrahydrofolate. N5 and 10-methylene tetrahydrofluorate is also requiring for the methylation of DUMP. DUMP मतलब deoxyuridine monophosphate to deoxythymidylate. Monophosphate. Thus, its deficiency slowed down DNA synthesis due to low level of DTMP. Non-availability of deoxyribonucleotides. अगर विटामिन B12 की डेफिशिएंसी है तो कौन कौन सी चीजें आपको दिखेंगी? एडल्ट पर्नीशियस एनीमिया, म्यूकोसल एट्रोफी ऑफ द स्टमक, ग्लोसाइटिस, हाइपर segmented neutrophils, stomatitis, pharyngitis, achlorhydria and folate trap. Deficiency manifestation में damage to nervous system, subacute combined degeneration, demyelination and neural death. Mild deficiency may cause depression, confusion and less alertness. ये है deficiency manifestation. Here, peripheral blood smear showing hypersegmented neutrophils, which are the characteristics of megaloblastic anemia. See. Causes of vitamin B12 deficiency. क्या क्या कारण होते हैं विटामिन B12 की डेफिशिएंसी से? न्यूट्रिशनल कॉज. Vitamin B12 deficiency is very common in India, especially among vegetarian of low socioeconomic group. जो कि नॉर्मल सब्जी वगैरह खाते हैं, जिनके पास बहुत अच्छी इनकम नहीं होती और वो उनका जो है सोशियो इकोनॉमिक स्टेटस कम होता है और स्पेशली वो वेजिटेरियंस होते हैं. The only source of vitamin B12 in vegetarian diet is curd या milk, and lower income group may not be able to afford it. Causes of B12 deficiency may be decrease in the absorption, decreased production of intrinsic factor, elderly people, pernicious anemia, gastric atrophy, fish tapeworm, pregnancy and inherited defect. And what are the treatment? If megaloblastic anemia is treated with folic acid alone, the anemia may improve, but associated nervous lesions are aggravated. Hence, all macrocytic anemias are generally treated with folate and vitamin B12. Folate और vitamin B12 दोनों का ही treatment किया जाता है. Therapeutic doses of B12 is 100 to 1000 microgram by intramuscular injection. This is all about of vitamin B12. कोई चीज नहीं समझ में आती है तो आप प्लीज कमेंट बॉक्स में पूछ सकते हैं. ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट. सी यू अगेन.